A video circulating via social media caught the attention of many, including the NDC, to the point where judgment is being passed that a woman in a green t-shirt is employed at the Parliamentary Election Office. However, voter and civic registration officer Ferdinand Phililp says they have been made aware of the video, did their investigation with due diligence, and the person in question is not and has never been employed by the Electoral Office. On the question as to why she was inside the office with a green t-shirt, Philip explains what could have happened during that time.
It's a public office, it's open to every person, and we cannot discriminate against someone for coming inside there with a jersey. I do not know the circumstances under which she came inside there. She could have been an agent, an activist who felt a bit tired, and she came in, she sat down. As I said previously, I am a little baffled as to the coincidence of occurrences that would have happened there, but the Parliamentary Elections Office categorically denies any allegations that we were registering persons using that particular individual. We do have a seasoned, experienced assistant registration officer who works in the office. She was there on Monday working dutifully, registering persons, but we do not have any other person, nor have we ever had any other person inside there, especially fitting the description of the individual.
During the NDC's press conference on Wednesday evening, a claim was made by two caretakers that those at the Parliamentary Election Office is somewhat associated with the NNP. This is what the voter and civic registration officer had to say about the statements.
Again, I would like to say that the Parliamentary Elections Office, we are not guided by the NNP or any other political party. We are guided by the Representation of the People Act, and it's available online for all persons to see, peogrenada.org. And you persons who wish to go onto that site can see the laws that govern our function. And one of the things that is constantly emphasized by our supervisor and all our staff is that impartiality is the order of the day. So please, we do not take kindly to any individual or any group seeking to cast the smear of partiality upon us.
The issue of transference was also a matter of concern for the NDC, who indicated that people are transferring to constituencies in which they do not reside. That too was addressed.
Transfers are a part of our legislation, and again, if you refer to the legislation Cap 286A, you will see the conditions that allow for transfers. Yes, a person can, if they have moved from one constituency to another, they can request a change of residence. Again, if someone, for example, someone would have registered in one constituency and someone in that constituency recognizes that or suggests that that person does not have the right to be registered there, they can make an objection.
As it relates to registering without meeting the requirements to do so in terms of the relevant documents needed, Philip says there is an exemption for Commonwealth citizens. He explained the process in which they have to undergo before registering.
Again, the legislation gives provision. If someone, and it's not only in Carriacou, it's throughout the length and breadth of Grenada, if someone being a Commonwealth citizen comes to and makes representation to be registered, and they do not have their documents, because of course someone may be living 5, 6, 8 years here, and their passport from whatever country they came from may have expired. They may not be able to produce that passport, or it may have been lost or whatever. What the legislation provides for is that person to get a statutory declaration from a JP, and in that declaration certain critical information must be presented, and by law we are mandated to register the person.
For GBN News, I am Rachel Bean.